didn't see you there. Wow. I was just actually going to just sit down and doesn't matter. Welcome back to another episode of JK Presents. Now this one is going to be fun, or it's not. Who wrote this? We're going to have a nice little educational video. And we're also going to listen to a cover, or a tribute cover, of Black Sabbath's Junior's Eyes by Black Sabbath, as played by. As a backdrop, we're going to actually have close-up photography, or videography in this point, of toy animals. And you're asking, why? What's the correlation? Well, it's as easy as two simple words. Editors note the song Junior's Eyes is about a child who loses his father, and he's trying to cope with it. Roughly, that's what it's all about. You can look it up yourself on ChatGOD or Smile Pikiki or whatever internet thing is out there. Please subscribe if you would like to, and hit the thumbs up if you would like to. That way we kind of know that you like this content. Or don't do that and just watch it. And at the very least, I hope you just enjoy a nice cover track of Black Sabbath's Junior's Eyes by Black Sabbath. Always remember that the new normal is abnormal. Till next time, this is JK Presents, presenting you a goodbye present. Who wrote this?